If you're a content creator looking to build your personal brand on Instagram, it is important to be consistently posting content. One of the easiest and most effective ways to do this is in the form of carousels. A carousel is a set of 10 images or videos in a single post where a viewer has to swipe left to view the whole set. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use free tools, Canva and ChatGPT, to create educational content carousels. Let's get into it. For those who don't know, Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content easily. It offers a user-friendly interface with a variety of templates for designing social media graphics, presentations, posters, flyers, and more. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed for natural language understanding and generation, allowing it to engage in conversational interactions with users. ChatGPT can answer questions, provide information, assist with language-related tasks, and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. For our purposes, we'll use ChatGPT for ideation of the content, and then use Canva to produce the content. Let's start with ideation. If you have an idea already, you can run with that. However, it can be arduous continually thinking up fresh ideas. So let's pass that cognitive load onto ChatGPT. You can give ChatGPT a persona in order to do its job better. For example, if you're a therapist who specializes in anxiety management, you can give ChatGPT the prompt. As a therapist who specializes in anxiety, give me some interesting topics on managing anxiety which would be suitable for an Instagram carousel post. Once you submit the prompt, ChatGPT will give you a list of ideas which you can use. Now, looking through the list, they're all good ideas, but I like number 10 the most. So I want to create a post which provides an actionable tip for the audience. The instruction I'll give ChatGPT is, take number 10 from the list above and create a short Instagram post entitled, How to Use Progressive Muscle Relaxation to Manage Stress, listing the steps to perform the exercise. Note with ChatGPT, the more specific you are with the prompt, the more likely you will be able to get something usable the first time. However, if the content doesn't work for whatever reason, you can just re-prompt with new commands to get a different output. Looking at the content, it looks absolutely bang on the money, so we're going to move on to Canva to create the posts. Canva makes it easy for us to create Instagram posts by giving you the explicit option to create an Instagram post. A bonus tip, Canva also produces a desktop app, so if you prefer working locally from your computer, you can download the app and log in locally. Now that you've selected Instagram, you're left with a square canvas for you to create. From here, you can create your own design, or to keep things simple, just use one of the thousands of professionally pre-designed templates. Some of these will be premium templates you can only access by subscribing to Canva, but there are plenty of free templates to choose from. You can search explicitly for carousel Instagram posts, and you'll get designs with multiple pages which you can import and use. I'll select this one. Next, we just need to copy and paste our content onto the design. So the first post in our carousel will just create the title of our article. Okay, so now we have done that, let's move on to the next page. Again, here we are just copying across the text from ChatGPT into the relevant text boxes in Canva. You may need to adjust some of the text boxes to get the text to fit. Now repeat for steps 2 and 3. I'm just going to fast forward a bit to when we finish step 3, which is the 4th page in our design. Now the design has 5 pages in total by default, of which only pages 2, 3 and 4 are available for our steps for progressive muscle relaxation, corresponding to steps 1, 2 and 3. We have 7 steps in total, so when we finish step 3, we just need to create a new page, select all the content from the previous page and paste in the text for step 4. We then repeat this for steps 5, 6 and 7. Also to note, in this design there are placeholders for your Instagram handle, so remember to replace this with your own. Now when we get to the final page, I'm just going to paste in the generated text from the end of the results as a conclusion. And there we have it, the finished design ready for export. To export, go to Share in the upper right hand corner of Canva and then Download. The default option is to download all the pages, which is what we want. The zip file will be downloaded, and after that you'll be prompted to select a location on your computer to save it. There's also the option to link your Instagram to Canva. This will allow you to post straight to Instagram, but I won't go through all the steps here since I have multiple Instagram accounts. and you will need to sign up for the Pro version of Canva to link multiple accounts. Next step is to go to Instagram in the browser and select the Create button in the left sidebar. A pop-up dialog will appear allowing you to select the images you downloaded. Once the pages are uploaded, quickly flip through the carousel to see that the pages are in order and hit next. Here you can select filters and make adjustments. However, I'm going to leave everything just as it is as we're not dealing with photos. Hit next and you'll be taken to the caption section for you to add a description and other metadata. Now this is the important part. When I say metadata, what I mean is data about data. This is what the Instagram algorithm uses to push the content to the right people. I'll start by adding the start and end of the content generated by ChatGPT. You'll notice that ChatGPT has helpfully added some hashtags already. That's great, and let's add some more, because the more hashtags you have, the more chance the algorithm will push it to the right people who have subscribed to those tags. Here again, rather than doing the thinking ourselves, let's get ChatGPT to handle the load. I'll prompt it by writing, suggest some popular hashtags to go along with the post above. So ChatGPT has rendered tags in the list. We don't want numbers, so let's get that reformatted by telling ChatGPT to space delimit the tags. Basically, separate the tags by a space. Beautiful. Now we have our tags, we just need to copy and paste this into our description. With the metadata sorted, we can post our carousel and voila, you're on your way to a bigger audience.